Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 6923 Lakeside Road in Ontario, a sprawling ranch home on almost 2 country acres. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This sprawling ranch home has been updated to perfection while offering the ease and convenience of one-floor living. Featuring an expansive living room with newer floors and an accent wall with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace with built-ins. Open to the country kitchen with beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the dining room with a bay window. And vaulted ceiling family room with a wood-burning stove and access to the covered patio. This is phenomenal open living with scenic country views. This home also features 4 spacious bedrooms, all with newer floors, and 2 full bathrooms, including an over-the-top primary suite with a walk-in closet, full bathroom, and eat-in kitchen with a bay window, wood accent walls, and a sliding glass door to the backyard. Also, a great in-laws suite. The abundance of space continues in the finished lower level with a bonus room with a stunning stone fireplace wall and wood accent walls. Plus a modern-style office or craft room, all with great storage. Come see why everyone loves to live in the countryside. Every country home has a relaxing front porch to swing summers away, plus an entertainment-style backyard with an expansive covered patio, overlooking the pool, and vast backyard on almost 2 acres with an outbuilding, perfect for all your outdoor activities. This property is located in the town of Ontario with easy access to Webster and Lake Ontario, with great parks and boat launches.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6923 Lakeside Road in Ontario, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!